She already does have that nice transition of blonde, but I'm gonna take it up a step further, and that's exactly what you're gonna watch me do. All right, everyone, so this is Terre here. She is my Redken bestie. She's working alongside me for Symposium, and this is Valentina. She's my model bestie because now she's been with me twice. She was with me about 7 weeks ago for my class at the Redken Exchange in New York. Terre was with me also, and so now we're back together as a team. I am going to be doing my second session blonding on Valentina. I can't wait for you to see how this all comes together. All right, you guys, keep watching. All right, so now I'm at the part where I'm gonna start hair painting. I'm gonna be using the Blonde IQ 8, and I'm gonna be using it with the dedicated oil developer 20 volume. That's really important because she's already a level 7, and so I wanna give her that nice blended look. And then once I go around her face and I go to the Mohawk section, I'm gonna transition to Blonde IQ 9 Plus with 20 volume, the dedicated oil developer, which is the Pro Oxide, and it's gonna give her that beautiful pop. It's gonna look so amazing. I can't wait for you to see what her hair looks like. So I wanna go in and find the dimension where I'm still gonna be able to keep her dimensional, but add that blonde and really up her contrast. I really want to create a lot of movement around her face. And if you look here to the side, as you can see, she already does have that nice transition of blonde, but I'm gonna take it up a step further. And that's exactly what you're gonna watch me do. Now we're gonna see, the board is gonna tell the truth of where she needs to be blonde. She can be blonder, look. Right?
Yep.
Isn't that crazy how the board will tell you?
You're gold.
Thank you.
People want what you have. You know what I mean? You're a gold.
Thank you. You're like, I'm so happy. That's exactly.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm next.
Okay, no, come on. Have a seat. Let's get started.
Me next.
Wait, hold on.
So I'm all finished with my model prep for day 1, and my model's hair came out so beautiful. Her blonde was exactly what I wanted it to be. Tomorrow is going to be the day where I tone her and get my mannequin heads ready, so I will see you tomorrow. So now we're in day 2 model prep. I'm gonna finish glazing my model. I'm gonna finish my mannequins, and I'm gonna be using 08 NP mixed with crystal clear, so it's 1 part to 3 parts. And this is gonna give me such a beautiful shade. It's gonna really make her blonde stand out and pop. So let's go apply it. The Blonde IQ is a must-have.
Thank you so much, Sean. All right, so second place for best freehand is Gianna Viafor.
That wraps up day 1 of Symposium. I was able to give a hair color award and be a part of the grand opening. So tomorrow I'll be back for my main stage presentation, and I'm also going to be doing an unplugged segment. I'll bring you back for tomorrow, can't wait. All right, so it is the big day, main stage, as you can see. I'm about to go on and I'm so nervous because it is my first symposium, but my model is sitting right behind me here. She's ready to go. Her hair is perfect. So wishing me luck because I'm excited, but I'm prepared, and that's exactly where I need to be: prepared, ready to deliver, and ready to serve.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes.
So that wraps up Symposium 2026. I hope you enjoyed going along this journey with me. I just want to thank Redken so much for having me here. It was big shoes to fill coming on here with these artists who have been here for so many more years than me. And I'm truly so inspired. I cannot wait to come back. Hopefully there will be many more symposiums to come. And of course, I will take you along for that journey with me. Can't wait for more. Bye.